Good afternoon. Today is Monday, May 11th, 2026. I'm here at Mandarin Holiday Marina, and this is a waterline video for the journey. Paint is pretty bad on this one, especially at the waterline. Not only do you have three different colored waterline paints, but the water also comes over and into the boot trap, and the boot trap looks like it's got about two different colors too. We were able to get all of the hard growth on it, so that's all off. This staining color, it's really hard to get off, especially with the rocking of the water right now. So we got as much as possible as we could. A lot of your staining is here where there is no ablative paint.